What shape is this? This is rectangle. What shape is this? This is rectangle. Copy the rectangles. You copy the rectangles, yes? Copy the rectangles here. Very good. One more, last one. Next. Oh no, so many. Circle the things that look like a rectangle. Where's... yes, rectangle. Circle the things that look like a rectangle. This one, this is... look like rectangle. Very good. More. This one, Pastor. This one.
ABC.
Not ABC. Later. You need to trace this one first, okay? This one. You trace. What shape is this? This is? Trace the shape that matches it. Where is the circle? You find the circle? No, not like that. Here, find the circle. You trace it. This is circle. No, don't do that. Circle. Square. Where is square? Square. This is... next is triangle. Hold it. Triangle. Very good, say. Next is rectangle. Very good. Next. You need to color the star. What color is the star? Yellow. No. Finish your homework. You color the star. Careful. Slowly. Sige na, garot. Ikaw na. Not too much. Next. What color is this? Color. This is color. How about the diamond? What color do you want? Purple.
Purple ba yan?
Ang diin ng... Ang bilis namang maubos tong Crayola na to. Masyado kasing...
Ginanin mo din kasi ang mami, tas lalaki.
Oo, pero ang bilis kang maubos kasi masyadong makulay. Finish the circle. Red.
That was super...
Slowly.
Hindi naman yan circle.
Ay, oblong. Sorry. This is oblong.
Sabi ko anong circle? Ganun.
Next na.
Kala ko long angle lang nandito. Wow.
This one. What shape is this set? This is heart shape. Very good. Heart shape.
Heart.
Ay, heart.
Ay, na-focus siya dito, mami.
Heart. Very good. Heart. Ganun, sa school kasi ayaw mo makiparticipate eh. Masasanay ka din, Papa? This is heart shape. Slowly.
Lahat naman sila heart.
Do it slowly. Then you need to draw heart here. This is heart shape. Very good. How about this one? Check all the heart shape. Where's the heart shape? You choose. Is this heart? Check. Is this heart? Check. Is this heart? No. Is this heart? No. This one? No. And this one also is? No. This one? Trace the oblong. Say oblong. Oblongs. Oblong. Very good. Si mami naman kasi ang gusto mong laging nagtuturo sa'yo. Oblong. And then here, copy the oblong first. Copy the oblong. Copy the oblong here. Oh no.
That's
And
not a
then,
perfect oblong.
box all the oblong shape. Oh, where's the oblong shape? Oh, you box down the oblong shape. Oh, this one, you box the oblong shape. And this is oblong shape also. This one also is oblong shape. Very good. Oh, about this one, trace the diamonds. Say diamond.
Dummy.
Diamond. Diamond. Very good. This is diamond shape. Okay? Very good. Very good. Oh, copy the diamond. Okay, copy the diamond. Slowly. Diamond. Very good. Box all the diamond shape. Oh, where's the diamond? This one is diamond. Box it. Well, this one also. And this one also. And this one. I know. It's not diamond.
Well, this looks like a diamond.
This one is diamond.
Yan lang yung diamond kasi.
Oh, star.
Let's
Yes, it's a
star.
star. Star. Very good. Star. You like star?
Pagod na kami kumami. Joke lang. I'm just joking.
Star. Oh, copy the star. Oh no, mommy. What kind of star is that?
Yung parang ganito lang, mami. O, yung parang ganun, o.
And color the color. Color all the star shape. Oh, color.
You need color yellow.
It's a yellow color. Oh, this one you color this one. Oh, star.
You only need to color this. And then, ano pa yung may
This one
star?
is a
The starfish.
Starfish. You color your... Oh, you color. Ayun na. Pati this. Pati ka nun. Oh,
Pati din daw
pati
kasi
daw
yan.
yun. Oh, this one ka rin. This is starfish.
Post ko tanong mo. Ang buwan na rin.
Starfish. Ay, this one also. Oh, star. Oh, this one. Match the word to each shape. Oh, match the word to each shape. Oh, this one. Where is the heart? Oh, this one is heart. Oh, you read this. This one is heart. Oh, where is the heart? Oh, you match the word to each shape. Oh, you find the heart from here. Oh, where's the heart? Heart. Don't do like that. You find the heart. This one, oh. Oh, yes, it's a heart. Oh, here. Oh, you connect here. You match here. Oh, star. Where is the star?